Hello, my friends. I am really happy you are here today. Before we start, I want you to think about something very simple. Have you ever felt scared to speak English? Maybe you know some words, maybe you understand a little, but when it is time to speak, your voice stops. Your mind becomes empty. You feel nervous. If this sounds like you, then this video is exactly for you. Because today, I am not going to teach you difficult grammar. I am not going to give you hundreds of new words. Today, I will show you something much more powerful. I will show you how to speak English with confidence, using simple ideas, simple words, and simple daily practice. And trust me, if you stay with me until the end, your thinking about English will completely change. Let me tell you a small story. When I was younger, I was just like you. I wanted to learn English, but I did not know how. I did not have good teachers. I did not have expensive books. I did not have the internet like today. And many people around me said, English is too difficult. You cannot learn it. Some people even laughed at me. And slowly I started to believe them. I felt small. I felt weak. I felt like maybe they were right. But deep inside my heart, there was a small voice. That voice said, try one more time. Don't give up. And that small voice changed everything in my life. One day, I understood something very important. English is not a difficult subject. English is just a language. And language is something we use to talk, to share, to connect with people. Think about a child. A child does not study grammar books. A child does not memorize hundreds of words every day. But still, the child learns to speak. Why? Because the child listens, repeats, and uses simple words again and again. That is the secret. English is not about knowing everything. It is about using simple things again and again until they become natural. Now let me ask you something honestly. What is really stopping you? Is it grammar? Is it vocabulary? No. The real problem is fear. You are afraid of making mistakes. You are afraid people will laugh. You are afraid you will sound wrong. But listen carefully. Mistakes are not bad. Mistakes are your teachers. Every time you make a mistake, you learn something new. Think about a baby learning to walk. The baby falls again and again, but the baby never stops. And one day the baby walks. You are the same. If you speak, you will improve. If you stay silent, nothing will change. So let us make English simple. You do not need big topics. You do not need difficult words. Your life is already full of English. Start with your morning. When you wake up, say simple sentences. I wake up. I feel tired. I need water. I go to work. These sentences are very small, but they are very powerful. Then talk about your day. I feel busy. I eat food. I talk to my friend. This is real English, not perfect, but real. And real English is what helps you speak in real life. Now, here is something very important. You must repeat. Yes, repeat again and again. Many people think repetition is boring. But repetition is the key to success. When you repeat simple sentences every day, your brain becomes faster.
Your mouth becomes stronger. Speaking becomes easier. Imagine this, if you practice just 10 minutes every day, slowly your confidence will grow. You do not need 5 hours. You only need daily practice. Small steps every day create big results in the future. Another powerful step is start thinking in English. Do not translate everything. When you see water, just think water. When you feel hungry, say in your mind, I am hungry. At first, it will feel strange, but that is okay. Slowly, your brain will change. You will stop translating. You will start thinking directly in English. And when that happens, speaking becomes faster and easier. You do not wait. You just speak. Now let us talk about confidence. Many people think, I will speak when I feel confident. But this is not true. Confidence does not come first. Confidence comes after speaking. You must speak first. Even if your English is broken, Speak. Even if your sentences are small, speak. Even if you are alone, speak. Talk to yourself. Talk in front of a mirror. Talk while walking. The more you speak, the more confident you become. And one day you will speak without fear. Now imagine your future. Imagine you can speak English easily. You can talk to new people, you can travel, you can get better opportunities, you can understand movies, videos, and stories. Your world becomes bigger. This is not just about language, this is about your life. English can open many new doors for you, but the first step is very simple. Start today, not tomorrow, not next week, today. Even one small sentence is enough, because one small step today is better than waiting for a perfect moment. So my friend, remember this. You do not need perfect English, you only need courage. Speak simple, speak daily, make mistakes, learn and grow. That is the real way to fluency. Now I want you to do something right after this video. Speak 5 sentences about your day, out loud, not in your head. Use your voice, train your mouth, build your confidence. And if this video helped you even a little, please like, share, and stay with this journey, because we are learning together, step by step. Keep practicing, keep speaking, and I will see you in the next video.